When we think about wealth, we often picture the glitz and glamour of the rich and famous. But what if I told you that the real power lies not just in individual billionaires, but in entire families? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the top 10 richest families in the world, exploring not just their staggering wealth, but also the legacies they've built over generations. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's unravel the stories behind these dynasties that have shaped economies, influenced politics, and left an indelible mark on society. Let's kick things off with the legendary House of Saud, the ruling royal family of Saudi Arabia. This family has been in power since the establishment of the modern Saudi state in 1932. With an estimated wealth that fluctuates around $1.4 trillion, the House of Saud's riches primarily stem from the country's vast oil reserves. Imagine being part of a family that controls a significant portion of the world's oil supply. Their wealth has allowed them to invest in various sectors, from real estate to technology, and their influence extends far beyond the borders of Saudi Arabia. It's a family that embodies the intersection of wealth and political power, shaping not just their nation, but the global landscape. Next up, we have the Walton family, the heirs to the Walmart empire. With a combined net worth of around $247 billion, the Waltons have maintained their status as one of the richest families in the world for decades. Founded by Sam Walton in 1962, Walmart has grown into a retail behemoth, revolutionizing how we shop. The family's wealth is a testament to the power of retail and consumerism in the modern world. But it's not just about the money. The Waltons are also known for their philanthropic efforts, particularly in education reform. This family illustrates how wealth can be leveraged for social good, making a significant impact on communities across the United States. Now, let's turn our gaze to the Rothschild family, a name synonymous with banking and finance. Originating in the 18th century, the Rothschilds have been influential in European banking for over 2 centuries, with a net worth that is often estimated in the hundreds of billions, though exact figures are elusive due to their diversified investments. They played pivotal roles in financing major infrastructure projects and even governments during times of war. The family's legacy is not just about wealth. It's also about the art of finance and how they have navigated the complexities of global economics. Their story is a fascinating blend of innovation, strategy, and resilience, making them a quintessential example of enduring wealth. The Koch family is another powerhouse in the world of wealth. With an estimated net worth of $109 billion, Charles and David Koch built their fortune through Koch Industries, a conglomerate involved in everything from oil refining to chemical production. The Koch brothers are known not just for their business acumen, but also for their significant influence in American politics, often funding libertarian causes and candidates. Their story highlights the intersection of wealth and ideology, showing how financial power can shape political landscapes. The Koch family's journey is a testament to the complexities of wealth and its impact on society. Let's not forget the family behind the luxury brand LVMH. The Arnault family. Bernard Arnault, the patriarch, has transformed LVMH into the world's largest luxury goods conglomerate, boasting a net worth of around $211 billion. From fashion to wine, the Arnauds have mastered the art of luxury, creating brands that are synonymous with opulence. The family's success underscores the power of branding and consumer culture, illustrating how luxury can be both an aspiration and an industry. Their story is a celebration of creativity, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. As we move forward, we encounter the family behind the tech giant, Microsoft. The Gates family, led by Bill Gates, has amassed a fortune of around $129 billion. But it's not just about the wealth. The Gates family is renowned for their philanthropic efforts through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Their focus on global health, education, and poverty alleviation has made a profound impact on millions of lives worldwide. The Gates family exemplifies how wealth can be a force for good, inspiring others to use their resources to tackle pressing global challenges. Their story is one of responsibility, compassion, and the belief that wealth comes with a duty to give back. The family behind the famous Italian fashion house, Gucci, the Gucci family, has a legacy that intertwines luxury and drama. While the family's wealth has fluctuated over the years, their influence on the fashion industry remains undeniable. The Gucci brand, founded in 1921, has become a symbol of style and sophistication. The family's journey is marked by creativity, passion, and the relentless pursuit of excellence, but it's also a tale of rivalry and intrigue, making them a captivating part of the wealth narrative. Next in line is the family behind the tech behemoth Amazon, the Bezos family. Jeff Bezos, with a net worth of around $150 billion, revolutionized the way we shop and interact with technology. The Bezos family's wealth is a reflection of the digital age, where e-commerce has transformed consumer habits. But beyond the numbers, the Bezos family is also involved in various philanthropic efforts, including climate change initiatives and space exploration through Blue Origin. Their story is a fascinating glimpse into the future of wealth, technology, and the responsibility that comes with it. Finally, we arrive at the family that has become a household name in philanthropy, the Buffett family. Warren Buffett, often dubbed the Oracle of Omaha, has a net worth of approximately $118 billion. Known for his investment prowess and wisdom, Buffett has pledged to give away the vast majority of his wealth through the Giving Pledge, encouraging other billionaires to do the same. The Buffett family's commitment to philanthropy is a powerful reminder that wealth can be a tool for positive change, inspiring future generations to think beyond themselves. So there you have it, the top 10 richest families in the world, each with their unique stories, legacies, and impacts on society. Their wealth is more than just numbers. It's a reflection of history, innovation, and the potential for change. As we navigate this complex world of wealth, let's remember the lessons these families teach us about responsibility, philanthropy, and the power of legacy. Whether we aspire to build our own empires or simply seek to make a difference, their stories remind us that wealth can indeed be a force for good.